We manufacture lasers that move our world.
We manufacture guitars that rock our world.
We manufacture fuel cells that make clean energy that powers our world.
There's a great future for young people in Connecticut manufacturing. And you can prepare for it at Connecticut's community colleges. Manufacturing, it's not what you think.
Are you ready to cut out a profitable career path for yourself? Do you want to work in a career with great pay and a great sense of pride? Do you want to work with advanced computers and robots to solve problems? Do you want to use your skill to do the same amount of work as dozens of men? Well, then you're ready to go pro in a skilled profession like CNC machining. Provide for your future with a career that programs and operates computers that control machines capable of cutting, bending, forming, and polishing materials into finished parts and tools. Find out how at BeProBeProud.org.
Are you ready to make it in Connecticut? Be innovative.
This is Connecticut Governor Daniel Malloy. In less than 10 months, Connecticut Community College's Advanced Manufacturing Technology Centers can help you make a great career.
To see how you can make it here, visit ct.edu/makeithere.
On the outside, things appear just about the same.
So it's been almost 5 years since I retired and since I last walked into Middletown.
But the former product director of Compression Systems Module Center, or CSMC, was stunned by what he saw on the inside.
What struck me immediately was the new technology that I've seen in every one of the areas, and of course the brightness. The bright lights, the place looks great.
The reason for David Russell's visit to some old but modern stomping grounds was thanks to the hospitality offered by CSMC's current general manager, Greg Tracy. Russell is now an instructor of manufacturing at Manchester Community College. He asked Tracy if his students...
I just finished the Precision Manufacturing program at MCC.
...and one graduate could witness what is technology nirvana for an aspiring machinist.
I came in to return some books, and they said, hey, you want to go for a tour? And I was just like fireworks were going off in my head. Like it's a dream to come and visit this place.
And this is, I think, for some of them the first time they've seen a lot of the technologies in use.
So safety glasses were eagerly grabbed and the 21st century tour of modern manufacturing began. The company has invested millions in modern machining to create what some students view as artistic. The investment is not lost on hungry eyes.
That's mind-blowing. To make these parts and how big they are, it's incredible. And I just know that this is where I want to be eventually.
It's inspiring to see the type of investment that's being made here. And what's really cool about it is I was part of a planning process, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 years ago that these were drawings. And now I'm seeing them in person, so it's really kind of neat to see that.
We showed a lot of the older technologies, broaching processes, and they were extremely excited just to see the level of technology that takes place on an older process, as well as some of our newer processes like linear friction weld and super abrasive machining, as well as 6-axis machining.
The old saying is true. It's what's on the inside that counts. It applies to the work being performed here and to those who make it happen. David Russell knows this, teaches this.
This is the place they want to be.
And hopes folks like Andrew will one day continue that tradition.
Yes, I'm definitely a big Pratt & Whitney fan now.
CNC machining stands for computer numerated controlled. We use CAD software programs, and we are given a drawing, and we use that drawing and draw models and geometry. And then with that geometry, we write tool paths on top of that. The machine reads it and does what we tell it to do. So if we want the machine to move from here to here, it will do that. Or if it wanted to drill a hole or make a pocket or make threads, it will do it. Life as a CNC machine operator, you look at your day's work, and we get a drawing, we sit down, draw up the geometry, draw up the model, write the tool paths, and then we have to set up our tools, calibrate our measuring equipment, and then load the part, run off our tool path, check it, and then that's done. And you keep doing that for your shift, and then you head home. What got me into being a CNC machine operator was just the fact of being able to create, being able to control the machine, being able to sit down and write something and be creative about it, and then just send it to a machine and watch it run. It fascinated me. A lot of other doors that the Skills Trades have opened for me, especially Skills Ontario and Skills Canada, is that there are other companies that have heard about me and other companies that want to talk to me. I don't really need to go off and look for a job. Having Skills Ontario and Skills Canada on your resume really gives you that added edge. What people should know about the trades are that the trades are not anything difficult as long as you have the will to learn it. Once you get into it, you can make really good money and have a great career out of it. Once you understand CNC machining, it allows you to understand so many other trades in general. It really opens a ton of doors for you.